Hi friends, good morning and good evening. Today I am going to discuss about the static block versus insulation block. So main difference between the static block and insulation block is the static block will be always executed whenever the class is loaded. So and insulation block is whenever we're creating the instances of the classes multiple times. So suppose let us assume we have defined a class followed by the class name, that is class followed by class name, and we're defining the public static void main, and we're defining the uh, a followed by a is equal to new a by defining like object where initializing. So I will show you the demo also. So let's show the how to declare the static block and initialization block in the Java level. So I'm going to define the static blocks. Okay, so this is only for defining the uh, curly braces. We can define the insulation block. So to define a static block, just to have written the we define the static keyword followed by the curly braces. So insulation blocks are defined using the curly braces, and the static block are defined by using the static keyword followed by the curly braces. This is the definition of the static and insulation blocks. So so here I am defining the one static block example. So before going to this class level, I am defining the brief overview of the static block. The static block will always executed whenever the class is loading. Whenever the class is loading, means uh, suppose I am creating before discussing these things, we are going to define the rules of the static blocks. So you can declare as many as you needed in the static blocks. You can declare the multiple ways of static blocks. You can declare the static block 1, static block 2, static block 3. The way you are declaring the class level, it will be executed the same way. Okay, for example, so I'm going to discuss about this is some small example here. So I'm defining the static block class, and define the static block 1, and in the second static block I'm defining the static block, and it is for handling the exception. Again I'm defining the constructor, and here I'm defining the static block with parameter a constructor, and the third static block and defining the public static void main. Okay, so here I'm initiating the static block, defining the constructor instantiations. Okay, so which is only for the single constructor class, means single class which is having static block, right? Static block which is defining the three static blocks. Static block which is having the static you can see that system outer println we are defining the static block 1, and static block 3. Okay, second static block, and third static block I'm defining the defining only for here. Another constructor is also there, static block 2. So what I'm saying is, I have created the instance right in the 34th line. I'm defining the static block, creating the object name, and is equal to static block, creating the instance of the particular class. So whenever this class is loading, the whatever the static blocks will be present in this block, the way we are declaring the static blocks, like suppose I'm declaring here as static block from static block 1, from static block 3, these the order will be executed. So how many times here we are declaring, here I am declaring the two times of I created the instances with parameter. Okay, so always whenever you create a multiple instance of the same class, but it will be executed only once for the those static blocks will be executed. Okay, so suppose such static block we declare in the first 34 35th line. I have declared the two constructors, right, two objects. So in this one I am creating the two objects. So static blocks will be executed only once. So let us run this example. See here. So after executing the program, it contains only static block 1. There we are creating the two instances, right? So always it will be executing the static block 1, static block 3, and the way order we are declaring those static block will be executed. After that the constructor will be executed with parameter and without parameter, that will be executed. This is the static block of the example for the base class level.